Good afternoon everyone. Today we will be discussing on the goto statement. Goto statement, it's nothing but controlling the transfer to some other section. One transfer from that section, I will be moving to some other section, I will be executing that one, and I may execute the next statements which are there in the program. That is said to be a goto statement. Okay, mainly remember it will be transferring the information from one section to another section. This one section is there, another section is there. So I'll move, if I give a identifier, through that identifier I will be moving to this section, and once again I want to execute the other section, I will be moving to that particular section only. So one by one it will be executing. If I want to move the control to somewhere else from the preferred section, then I will be using the goto statement. Okay, I will be giving one example. In this example, we will be checking out. Before that, we will check out with the flowchart. The flowchart says what is, we are said to be executing the statement 1, then statement 2 and statement 3. If somewhere else you have a goto statement here after the statement 3, I will be going to that particular section where I am said to be providing with the identifier number. Okay, go to statement 1. If I say go to statement 2, it will be moving to that particular statement 2. Like that, the section, if I am giving the go to statement, it will be moving to that particular section and executing the section. Okay, so now in this one you will check out with the example. The example, what does it say? You can see here in the example what it is being given is, you have a method called, okay, main method is there. In that you are said to be preferring one number which is said to be 20. In the initial period we will be assigning a number. That number is being assigned with the value 20. So switch number. So switch number, the number which is being taken is 20. Okay, so 20 means what? You have multiple section of cases here, case 5, case 10 and case 20. Okay, after that the switch number means what? It will be moving to this case section 20 and it will be executing the whatever line it is there called as the case 20. After that it will be having a statement called as go to case 5. So it will be moving to that particular case 5 here. It will be executing that particular statement. So in the output you can check out the case 20 is there, after case 5 will be executed. If none of the sections is being given, no value is being given for the number, then it will move to the default section. No match found, it will be given. Okay, if I give a case 5, case 10 and case 30 like that, and if it is not said to be having the 20th case, then it will be moving to the default section. So this is your go-to case, go-to with particular valid identification number. Identification number here it is case 5. Okay, so it will be moving to that particular section and executing the particular line. Okay, so this is your go-to statement. Then you will be learning about a return statement. Return statement is nothing but, I will be executing one method. That method consists of certain calculation or something. After doing the calculation, it returns to that particular main method, returning to that particular main method where it is said to be executing the other section. So remember, returning is nothing but, if I execute the statements in the one of the method, after that you will be having a return statement. That return statement, it moves to the some other method where it is said to be present. It executes that one and result it will be printed on the screen. So this is the you can say a flowchart, you can say, of the return statement. You have a method. In the method you will be executing the statements. After that, in that method only you have a return statement. Return statement, what does it do? Either it may exit, one option is that, or it may be moving to that particular caller method where it is said to be moving. There it does the calculation and it ends the execution. So this is your flowchart for the return statement. And here an example is there. You can check out what is the example is said to be saying. You can check out a method is there called as addition. Okay, and it has a variable a, and that method, it will be doing the addition part where int is, add is said to be a int variable. Okay, it is of the data type which is said to be int add. Okay, add is equal to a plus a. It will be adding a 2 times, a plus a, and it will be returning the addition value to the main method here. Okay, and here in the main method you can check out what is said to be having. It is said to be initialized with the value 2. Here it is said to be taken as a, but here in the main method that a value is being considered as 2. It will be taking the value 2 for the A, and in the result is also of the type integer type, and it is said to be calling the method called as addition method, and it will be substituting that variable value as 2. So here it will be taking the variable value here, that is in the add section result you will be having 2 plus 2. So 2 plus 2 it will be doing, it will be printing the result here. So result it checks for it, and it will be printing the addition of the particular value is result in this section, it will be adding and it will be printing the result, that is 4. Okay, so this is your return statement. So today you have learned the two parts. One is said to be your go-to statement, another one is said to be your return statement. Okay, in this also comes under your jump statements only. In the before classes you have learned about the various things, and today you have learned few of the statements. In the previous section you had learned about the statements. Okay, in the previous sections you had learned about the other jump statements, and today you have learned some of the few of the jump statements. Okay, go to and your return. Okay, that you have learned. Okay, in the next session you will be learning about the concept of what is throw in the jump statements and re-throw in the jump statements. In last session you had learned about the continue and break. Today you have learned about go to and return, and tomorrow in the next session you will be learning about what do you mean by your what do you mean by your other sections called as throw and re-throw section. Okay, thank you.